Welcome to a journey filled with endless possibilities where creativity and revenue generation collide. The fusion of artificial intelligence and financial wealth is an alluring idea in the current digital world. We'll reveal the techniques for how to make money with AI in this fascinating video, as we reveal the many ways in which AI might be your golden ticket to financial success. Suspense will be our ally. By the time this video is over, you'll not only be fascinated but also equipped with the knowledge necessary to start your AI-powered financial adventure. Be prepared to be amazed by the abundance of chances that lie ahead. Let's start now. AI-powered content creation. In the digital landscape, AI-powered content creation has become a transformative force. AI algorithms are revolutionizing the way we create content with their capacity to generate articles, blog posts, and even video screenplays. The massive amounts of written and multimedia content that can be processed by these intelligent systems can be processed faster, more productively, and with a higher level of quality. AI is being used more and more by marketers and content producers to automate mundane chores and free up their creative capacity for more strategic, higher-level thought. As a result, businesses have the opportunity to scale their content production efforts and reach larger audiences, which will ultimately boost engagement and ultimately lead to financial success. As AI continues to advance, its role in content creation is poised to grow, making it a valuable tool for those seeking to stay competitive in the digital age. AI in e-commerce and sales. E-commerce and sales are being driven by AI, which has helped turn conventional business models into highly effective, customer-focused enterprises. Businesses can now analyze massive amounts of data to acquire detailed insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends thanks to AI-powered solutions. This information enables them to provide tailored product recommendations, enhance the overall shopping experience, and optimize pricing tactics. Artificial intelligence. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants offer fast customer service, boosting user satisfaction and sales. Additionally, AI-driven inventory management and demand forecasting aid companies in cost-cutting and stock-out prevention, ensuring that goods are accessible when clients need them. As a result, businesses using AI in e-commerce are revolutionizing how people connect and shop, as well as increasing their bottom lines. AI-powered investing and trading. A new era of financial markets has begun as a result of AI-powered trading and investing. AI systems can analyze large data sets in real time, forecast market patterns, and execute transactions with unmatched precision thanks to advanced algorithms and machine learning models. By democratizing access to financial markets, this technology enables both inexperienced and seasoned investors to profit from AI-driven strategies. AI provides a competitive advantage in optimizing investment portfolios and reducing risks, whether through algorithmic trading, robo-advisors, or sentiment analysis. But it's critical to comprehend the complexities and dangers involved. Staying informed and adjusting to these developments can be the key to maximizing returns and reaching financial objectives as AI continues to change the financial environment. AI in healthcare. Healthcare is undergoing a transformation thanks to artificial intelligence, AI, which is enabling breakthroughs in patient care, treatment, and diagnosis. Healthcare workers may use AI algorithms to quickly and accurately analyze enormous volumes of medical data to identify early disease, create individualized treatment strategies, and forecast patient outcomes. Electronic health records can be combed through by machine learning models to find patterns and trends, which helps with resource allocation and hospital operational optimization. Additionally, radiology has been improved by AI-driven medical imaging systems by offering accurate CT, MRI, and X-ray interpretations. AI has the potential to improve healthcare accessibility, cost-effectiveness, and efficiency as it develops, leading to higher standards of care and potential life savings. AI-powered marketing. AI-powered marketing is transforming how companies interact with their customers. Marketers may improve their plans with unmatched accuracy and efficiency by utilizing the powers of artificial intelligence. AI uses machine learning algorithms to analyze enormous volumes of data in order to create highly customized experiences, create content that is appropriate for each user, and forecast consumer behavior. As a result, ad targeting is enhanced, conversion rates are increased, and ROI is increased. Real-time customer care is offered through chatbots that are AI-powered, providing round-the-clock engagement. AI also helps with sentiment analysis, allowing businesses to assess consumer perceptions and modify their marketing initiatives accordingly. AI-driven marketing is not simply a competitive advantage in the rapidly changing digital landscape. It is also increasingly necessary for businesses that want to succeed in the contemporary economy. AI-generated art and creativity. An intriguing intersection of technology and creative expression can be seen in AI-generated art and creativity. Artificial intelligence algorithms are advancing the frontiers of creative innovation in this digital age. AI is a muse unlike any other, producing beautiful paintings and complex musical compositions alike. It does extensive dataset analyses, absorbs knowledge from earlier masterpieces, and produces original works that defy preconceived concepts of creativity. AI tools are being used by designers and artists to improve their work, as well as to expand their imagination. AI is a collaborator, an inspiration, and a gateway to unexplored artistic horizons, whether it be in the creation of evocative visual art or soul-stirring symphonies. It demonstrates the countless possibilities that arise when human intellect and AI's computing power combine. AI freelancing and consulting. In the digital landscape, AI consulting and freelancing constitute a burgeoning frontier that gives people the chance to profit from their experience and skills. There is a rising demand for qualified experts who can offer specialized services as firms increasingly recognize the revolutionary potential of AI. The field of freelance AI work is rife with opportunity, whether you're an expert data scientist, machine learning engineer, or AI strategist. You have a variety of projects to pick from, such as developing cutting-edge AI solutions or offering data-driven insights. You can obtain the convenience of remote work, as well as the possibility of a sizable income, by branding yourself as a reputable AI consultant or freelancer. Furthermore, there is a ton of space for expansion as the AI industry develops further. AI investment opportunities. We'll examine how you can invest in artificial intelligence and put your money to use by delving into the world of AI investing. Investment prospects in AI cover a wide range, from conventional equities in tech behemoths, driving the AI revolution, to venture capital and startup investments in emerging AI-driven businesses. We'll learn the tactics and knowledge needed to choose investments wisely in this volatile market. Understanding the benefits and risks connected with AI investments is essential for long-term financial success. Whether you're an experienced investor looking to diversify your portfolio or a novice looking to take advantage of AI's financial potential, we sincerely hope that you enjoyed our excursion into the world of how to make money with AI as much as we did. Your interest and participation are much appreciated by us. Remember to take action if you've discovered insightful information and are prepared to start your AI-driven financial adventure. Click the like button to express your gratitude for the video's information. Subscribe to our channel to receive notifications of new videos, and generously share this with your friends and coworkers. Let's harness AI's potential together and open the doors to financial success. We appreciate you coming along on this amazing journey, and until then, keep being inspired.